buddies! Welcome to Easy Learning Math, where we make math super easy. Now we are going to express 0.95 meter cube in centimeter cube. First we are going to find how many centimeter in 1 meter. Remember the conversions ladder from kilometer to millimeter. When we go up the ladder, we are gonna divide by 10 for each step we go up. And as we go down, we are going to multiply by 10 for each step. Now, how many steps we go down from meter to centimeter? 1, 2, so it's 2 steps. So we multiply by 10 and 10. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Next, let's cube both sides. So 1 cube. Meter cube equals the 100 cube centimeter cube. 1 cube is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 100 cube is 100 times 100 times 100. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and then count how many 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 zeros. It is 1 million. So 1 meter cube equals to 1 million centimeter cube. Now let's use this information to convert 0.95 meter cube to centimeter cube. So from 1 to be 0.95 we times by 0.95, right? So we do the same thing, we also times 1 million by 0.95. We will multiply this by moving the decimal point. When we multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, 1 million, we move the decimal point to the right. By how many 0 do we have? So for 1 million we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 zeros. So let's move this decimal point 6 times to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's fill these by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 950,000. So 0.95 meter cube equals to 950,000 centimeter cube. Next, let's express 3,540 centimeter cube in liters. We know that 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 out of 1,000 liters, so for 3,540 centimeter cube, we divide 3,540 by 1,000 liters. Now we are going to divide by moving decimal point. If it is multiplication, we move the decimal point to the right, since the division is the opposite of multiplication. Then division has opposite direction, so we'll move the decimal point to the left. Now 3,540 equals to 3,540.0, right? So let's move the decimal point to the left. By how many 0 do we have here? Here we have 3 zeros. So let's move this decimal point to the left 3 times. 1 to 3. So 3.5, 4, 0, 0, and remember this is placeholder. Then we can just write our answer as 3.54. So 3,540 centimeter cube is equal to 3.5 for liters.